So what I'm going to do now is called Teleoperation. Okay, you'll get a better understanding as you see me perform this action. So I am going to manually operate the leader arm, and the action is going to be mimicked by the follower arm. Okay, let's place some objects on the table so that we can grab it. All right. Right, there we go. Let's go on the other side, it's easier. Okay, and let me put it here. There we go. And let's make this come a little bit closer here. There we go. Put that also in here. So I guess you've got a good grasp of what teleoperation is. All right, a quick view of how everything is connected. So you've got the robot arms. Each of them have got 6 servo motors. They have 6 DOF, as we call it, 6 degrees of freedom. They are all chain linked one to the other and connected to a controller board. All right, so this is for the follower arm. Same thing for the leader arm. So I put it on a nice piece of wooden board, secured it to the table with some clamps. Then there is the power supply, which I've limited to 1 amp. Okay, and supplying 12 volts to both of them. They are connected to a USB hub and to the PC, of course. So the order in which they are plugged in is important. So each USB controller board is assigned a specific COM port, the first one being the follower arm, and the second one being the leader arm. As you can see here, it is designated by ttyACM 0 for the follower arm and ttyACM 1 for the leader arm. So the order in which they are being plugged in is important. So we are going to plug in the first one always is going to be the follower arm, and the second one that we are going to plug in is going to be the leader arm. We've cloned the repository, we've created a Python environment with all the required libraries, and then when we execute this program, it will actually control and mimic the action of each robot. One more important thing, if you don't want to every time go and give access permission to those serial ports, what you can do is create a file, okay, this file, and inside of which you are going to write the following line, so that each and every time you plug in a serial port that is going to be assigned as ttyACM from 0 to 9, the access mode is going to be 0666. Well, that would be all for today. If you have any help requests to set up your robot arm, or if you are having some difficulties or you would need some clarification, just send a message to me or write in the comment, and I'll be glad to help you. By the way, I'm using the gripper that I've designed, which I found is better suited for grabbing object in a symmetrical way. The GitHub has been posted in my previous post on Facebook, so go there, grab it and use it. If there is going to be any modification or upgrade to that while I use it and find some issues, I'm going to post an update. That would be all for now. Next time we'll try to put the cameras on and hopefully record some data set for training and do a wave. Goodbye. That's all for the demo for today. Thank you for watching.